How a fresher can start career in artificial intelligence. If you are a fresher and looking to start career in artificial intelligence, first thing you need to know what an artificial intelligence engineer will do. An artificial intelligence engineer will create intelligent machines or intelligent software. A software which can work by its own without the need of excessively program. A machine which can work by its own without the need of human help through artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence purely works with algorithms, and we all know that algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Now, as an artificial intelligence engineer, your role is to create algorithms. By that, you need to create intelligent machines or intelligent software. Now the first question is whether artificial intelligence course is easy or difficult. Well, learning artificial intelligence course is easy, but implementing artificial intelligence knowledge in application form is difficult, because understanding artificial intelligence algorithm is not that easy. But for people who are good at mathematics, reasoning skills and coding, for those kind of people, artificial intelligence algorithm might feel like easy. Now let's start our main topic, how to start career in artificial intelligence and how to get jobs. Welcome to AI English, and I am Krishnatanya Mandela. To start career in artificial intelligence, there are two ways. The first one is the natural way. After completing your +2, you can join in any college which offers artificial intelligence, especially machine learning engineer course in BTech. That is the general way, like you need to spend around 4 years. That is a natural process. But the second way is through online. Like in online, there are apps like Coursera, EDX and Udemy offering free and paid certified courses. By those courses also you can start learning about artificial intelligence. And what are the courses and what are the fee structure, what are the best courses, that screenshot we will provide in the video. You can watch that. Now in between paid courses and free courses, of course I will prefer free courses because those are free courses. But paid courses having an advantage because you are paying money. Paid courses means paying attention. The moment you start paying for a course, definitely your mind will start running that I already paid 5,000 rupees or 80,000 rupees, 2 lakh rupees for the course. I have to learn something about artificial intelligence. This is a kind of a motivation factor which drives you to learn about artificial intelligence. Now these are some of the platforms which offers artificial intelligence courses. Now the important point is how to start learning about artificial intelligence and what kind of way we need to start learning about artificial intelligence. So in the beginning of the video, I already mentioned that artificial intelligence purely works with algorithms. Now, whenever you start a course about artificial intelligence, any teacher or any lecturer starts telling about one algorithm. Take for example today the popular algorithm which is a supervised learning algorithm, linear regression. So you can also take this linear regression algorithm and start practicing that. Start understanding what is this linear regression algorithm. And the next step, what are the mathematical equations involved in linear regression algorithm? And what is the relationship between this linear regression algorithm and the mathematical equation? How a step is affecting this equation? What kind of results we are getting? So start understanding about this algorithm and the equation. Then the next step is coding. So usually artificial intelligence, machine learning, engineering, coding works on Python. So the Python software used to do this algorithm coding. But one thing I would like to tell you is don't go blindly, don't by heart it. I would say learn from your heart, but don't by heart it. You won't learn anything about artificial intelligence the moment you start by hearting it. Once you're done with all these 3 steps, then you go for real life examples. There are data sets available in the internet. Then you take the real data sets and use those data sets in your linear regression algorithm. Practice those data sets and get the results. And during the process, you will understand what kind of image processing, all these kind of things comes into this like facial recognition, all these things. You're going to learn new things while you are using real life examples, real life data sets in your algorithms. In that way, you're going to good at one algorithm which is linear regression. In the next step, what you need to do is try to create applications using your linear regression algorithm. Whatever the algorithm you're good at, I'm just telling linear regression as an example. You can take any other algorithm which is interested for you. Then you can apply those algorithm into an application, start doing some mini projects, and most importantly, make sure you're going to document the entire project, and if needed, shoot some videos as well. So because of these things, it will add more weightage to your resume. So once you finished all these things, you will become an expert in one particular algorithm. Then you are ready to go for applying for a job. So the same step you can repeat for the next algorithm. Start learning the remaining algorithms as well. So for this entire course, how much duration it requires? Usually if you are spending daily time like 2 to 3 hours per day and start practicing every day, so you can crack this complete course in 6 months or 6 to 8 months. But if you start neglecting, like you are very busy and doing some other stuff, and definitely it can extend up to 1 to 1.5 years. And if you are not that much interested, definitely it can extend always. So make sure you are spending enough time learning this course, then you can crack it within 6 to 8 months. Now the next step is about jobs. In the next 5 to 10 years, there is going to be ample amount of job opportunities available in artificial intelligence sector. The reason is existing software companies already started the process of integrating artificial intelligence with the software. Now in what kind of company you're going to start your career? So there are again two types of jobs will be available. The first thing is career progression job. The second thing is highly paid but less progress. The first job itself will tell you like there are going to be more projects in this particular company you're going to work. So in this kind of progressive company, you're going to learn more and learn more knowledge from this company, even though these companies may pay you less salary like 4 to 5 lakhs per annum. But that's okay because you are learning something. Learning something is very important in this artificial intelligence because you are learning intelligence. In the second category, they paid you around 10 to 12 lakh rupees also. You don't gain much knowledge because usually in 6 to 8 months, hardly you're going to learn about one new thing. Because of that thing, you may not gain more confidence. After completing your 1 year, even if you try to switch your job, you need some confidence, you need some knowledge. So if you are not gaining anything, then there is no scope for artificial intelligence engineer, because artificial intelligence engineer meaning is creating intelligent machines. For intelligence, you need to gain knowledge. For this kind of companies, you are not getting any knowledge, then how can you train a machine with intelligence? So that is not possible. And next thing is inquiring whether a company is good or bad. To know whether the company is good or bad, the best way is to look at the founded year. And the next thing is the funding. How much funding does this company got recently? So looking at all these things, you can apply for that. If the company is recently founded a startup company, make sure you find an interesting project in that company, then only you can go for it. And now the final thing is how to apply for a job. So before that, I would like to mention one thing. If you are really good at artificial intelligence, passionate about it, you're good at making AI applications, then you can be an entrepreneur. You can sell your software, AI software, to some small or medium scale companies. So that way you can become a partner for them. In case if you are not suited for that, then you can go and apply for a job in artificial intelligence companies. For that, the best way is Google search. Just type for artificial intelligence job, then you will get a tab open with all the related artificial intelligence jobs, machine learning, data scientist, all these kind of jobs will appear there. Or else, to be specific, if you are staying in Mumbai or Bengaluru, just type with artificial intelligence job in Mumbai or Bengaluru, then you will get the related tabs. Then you can directly apply from that. So that is one way. The second way is you can apply for jobs through LinkedIn, and there is one more way through a website called angel.co. This is also one job portal. Like you can search for what kind of startups, AI startups, and what kind of experience, like you are a fresher or an experience. Then you can upload your resume. Then that's how the process will go on. But one thing is for sure, if you're having good knowledge in artificial intelligence, having experience of 2 to 3 years, then you will definitely go into select in some big data companies like Google, Amazon and Microsoft. Obviously you will get high pay scale around 30 to 40 lakhs per annum, even crores also you can earn. It purely depends on the knowledge, like how great you are at the artificial intelligence knowledge. So if you have any doubts, please do mention in the comment section below. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to AI English. For facts videos, please do subscribe to MBS Facts English.